Good morning. It's early, but I wanted to show you what I'm freeze drying today. We're gonna do some of these mini tacos, those little mini tiny tacos that you get, I don't know, at the deli or whatever. And we're going to do some 18 raw eggs. And then I'm going to put some tri-tip that I had made that we'll never eat. It's so big. I'm going to get some of that shredded tri-tip in there. And from there, I'm not sure what I'm doing today. So far, it's nice in here. I might get some organizing done or whatever. I still have our little book gnome hanging in there. He's doing good. And Nate over here, he's doing good with his tree buddy. So I'm gonna get some things going while I can tolerate being out here. And I will catch you on the next inside. Bye. So while my freeze dryer is pre-freezing, I thought I'd come over here and show you something I discovered. Anyways, here is my shredded, this is that, it's kind of like a fajita. I've got peppers and corn and all that in there. And that was part of that cow that we bought, and the tri-tip roast thing, it was so big that there's no way we'd eat it all in 1 or 2 days, so I'm gonna do that. I was looking at my canned ham, and on the bottom there's a date. You see that? It says, let's do it this way. Okay, so 8 of 2023, right? And some of the, and now I bought this ham probably 2 years ago, because this ham here is good till 2025, 2025, or 2024, 2024, 25, 25, and 25, because I rotate. So we're gonna slice this up. I got a knife out here and freeze dry some of this ham, because this is gonna, you know, next year, I've got less than a year on it. So I figure, why not, right? I also forgot to mention and I think in my prep videos, I don't know if I did or not, but it's how important it is to rotate your pantry. If you go to the store and buy a canned ham and some corn or some tuna, bring it to your pantry first. Don't take it into your kitchen area, and switch it out with something you've had out here, even if it's only been a week since it's been out here. So if you're new and you only have things that are, get in the habit of going through these and checking dates on them. So I hate these. Do you guys experience that? Just not, that fails completely on me almost every time. Let's find a date. There's one. Best by 2025. So we know that the corned beef is good, but come through every now and then. And even if you're not shopping, at least come out here. If you do it often enough, you'll start knowing your own pantry, and you'll say, oh, okay, I got about 6 months before I have to rotate them forward. They do that, or they should be doing that in the stores. That's not always the case, but let's hope that they're doing that. Just get in the habit of rotating it. Same thing if you have a freezer. Let's put this over here. That's empty. That's empty now. I'm gonna do my own onions. Same thing with your freezer. It's a pain in the butt, and I put gloves on, and I come in here and I pull everything from the very bottom. I pull everything out, put them in piles, and then bring the stuff that was at the bottom. I put the stuff that was at the top in the bottom. There we go. Spit it out, Deborah. And then, you know, and then the stuff that was at the bottom ends up on the top. Rotate your freezer as well. And even if you don't have one of these chest freezers, it's in the house, try to get in the habit of doing that in there too. You know how sometimes things get in our freezer in the house and it gets stuck way in the back and you forget it's there. You know, prepping is not, you know, it can be fun buying it all, but you got to maintain it all too. So rotate your foods. That's important. I just wanted to throw that in there because I can't remember if I had mentioned to you that before. So let me get my canned ham uncanned, because at least it has a pop top, right? Those key things over there on the corned beef, those key things fail me every time. Since I was a kid. So I don't know if I'm gonna go there today. But anyways, I'll get back with you and show you how this ham looks like on the tray before I put it in the dryer. Bye. All right, so that's our canned ham. It opened pretty easy, the pull tabs. And I don't generally have a problem with those, but this canned ham is very tender because it's been sitting in its own juice. And like I said, keep your juices. So whatever's in your can, pour in here, because that'll help reconstitute it, resaturate it, however you want to call it. So we got our 4 trays now. We got our tacos, our tri-tip, our ham, and our eggs ready. I think I'm gonna set, I think I'm gonna have to go in there and set the drying time for, I think I have it set for 4 hours right now, which is good. It's perfect because all of this stuff is heavy moistured, and it's thick. So this time, let's see, tomorrow would be, hang on, it is 9:25, so 9:25 tomorrow morning would be 24 hours. I'm thinking about 8 o'clock tomorrow night, all of this stuff might be done. So that's perfect timing because it's nice and cool out here and I can come out here, right? So anyways, keep your fingers crossed, take care of yourselves, be good to each other, say your prayers every night. Now I lay me down to sleep. You know which one I say all the time? Yeah, now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Because you know what? You never know when the ticker, when this down here is gonna just not work anymore, right? So yeah, even as an adult, I still say that one. So, okay guys, bye for now. All right guys, we have our ham and eggs. I did not plan it that way, I promise you. But that is our cracked eggs, raw egg, okay? They weren't cooked first. This stuff you see is all the yolk. So I'm gonna cut those and put like 2 in each Mylar. And then we have our canned, freeze-dried canned ham, as you can see. Crunchy, right? And we have our tri-tip fajita mix. We have our tacos, our little mini tacos. And my mom had an extra one of these in the freezer. She wasn't gonna eat it, so we got another burger. So anyways, we're gonna bag them up, seal them up, pack them away. So anyways, that's probably going to be it today. It's been a long day, actually. We did that long drive. I hope you enjoy that footage. I thank you so much for coming along with us. And we might head out here later on this afternoon. And it's really super windy right now. I mean, that door, if I accidentally leave my hands or feet in there, are going to be, you know, amputated. So it's really super windy. So anyhow, thanks guys. Again, it was a great day, great morning. It's July 4th. Happy 4th of July late, right? And remember, pray, craft, and prep. And now and then throw in a good rant. Bye.